Well, hey there everyone, where am I at and why am I here? Stick around and find out. Hey everyone, as you've seen in the title, I'll be going to a model car contest, and if you don't know what that is, just stick around and you'll see. As you see right here, I have some that I made, and I have a lot more down below still in the box. Alright, now on this one right here, the Subaru Brat, I'm going to build it, but I'm going to make it a little bit rusted and beat up. I don't want to make it look all shiny and brand new. Alright, now this is how it turned out. Again, I wanted it to look rusted and beat up. Got a red door on the passenger side where somebody replaced it with another color of a Brat. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I like it a lot. This is a model that I had my wife to do. It turned out really good. This is her first model that she's ever done. Yes, I did walk her through it and give her little tips here and there. But this is what it shows on the box. A 68 Volkswagen Beetle. But she wanted to do a pink color. And I think this turned out really well. Check this out. Got the engine in there. I think she did a really good job on this. Alright, now you see here is a 80 Dodge Ram Charger on the box. It looks all nice and shiny, but I went with a different look. This one here went mud, and it's got mud all over it. So again, I'm just trying to show that it doesn't have to look exactly like it does on the box. You could do whatever you guys want to do with this. Alright, now you see this El Camino? Well, this right here is based off of my car in real life. Here are some pictures that I had printed out and I'm going to take to the show. Again, this is my car right here in real life. This is my baby, and I wanted to replicate it. And here it is.
I sure can't pay $3,000. That's a big thing.
Alright everyone, I just made it back from the show. I won first place in the category on this truck here. I ended up getting this silver token here, which is really awesome. This truck, there's so much detail in it, and I'm very happy to win with this truck here. So here it is up under the hood. Got a cracked windshield, cracked up dash on there. It's got rust holes all in it. It's got the back bumper off inside the back bed here. Some wood planks missing out of the bed. If I can focus inside here, you can see right there that there is fabric coming out of the seat cushion. And if I can get up here, you can see there's fabric right there in the headliner. And maybe you can be able to see there's a little spring right there coming out of the seat. So yeah, there's so much in this truck, so much detail, guys. And again, I'm very, very happy to win first place on this truck. Alright everyone, now again, these are all the ones that I've entered, and this one here is the one that won first place, which I'm very happy on. Please leave a like and a comment down below what you thought of it. I know that it was something completely different than I usually do on my channel, but hey, that's alright. So again guys, let me know what you think of this, and I'll see you all in my next video.